Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. Got an interesting package here today from Japan Post. So I believe I know what it is. I've been waiting a while for this. I was trying to track down a Japanese all brass MIWA padlock, and I was able to locate one that was in fairly good condition. So I don't know that that's what's inside the box. So let's have a look at it together. Okay, and you can see Japan Post. There it is. Okay. So there it is, guys. 50 millimeter, 8 millimeter shackle. Not easy to find. And if you're able to get one, just beautiful. And Japanese quality, not to be mistaken for Chinese quality. Not sure how secure the lock is, but I was thinking if we pick it open, it'll only try to pick it the one time, and that'll be it. This locking pawl is spring loaded. You guys can see that there. So let's have a look and see what we can do to get into this. Again, a very unusually wide keyway. Let's see if this one, I'll try bottom of the keyway. That looks like it might work. So here we go, guys. My first ever Japanese MIWA. My very first video ever was a Japanese alpha padlock. Very difficult to find. If you ever can get your hands on one of those, highly recommend it. I did do another very old alpha shutter padlock later on. So let's give this MIWA a shot. I believe it is a 5-pinner. So let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, my first click came out of pin 5. Okay, so I do got good tension there. Don't like that pick. I'll try this one here. Start from pin 5, 4. And I broke the pick. That's great, right inside the lock. Alright, good way to start. Picks just keep going. Pick didn't stand a chance, eh? Okay. Notice right away. There's 5. forcing that's binding the core. Okay, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 3, 4. Some sharp edges here. One is loose. There we go. Got it. What a nice looking piece of brass. I was able to get into it, and now I've got my tension wrench jammed inside there. So that's what I have for you guys today. Beautiful Japanese MIWA 5-pinner. I'm not going to attempt to shim it at the shackle. I don't want to cause any damage to the brass. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. There's the keyway. Again, I'll show it to you. Unusually wide, both bottom and top. So I was lucky enough to be able to get that tensioner in the bottom. Smooth operation, and that's going to be part of my collection, guys. The Japanese MIWA 50mm with 7.96mm shackle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Appreciate your support. Thank you. Hey guys, back with the MIWA. I guess I said I wasn't going to pick it again. The keyway being so wide, I did want to just quickly attempt to see if I could rake this open, possibly, or zip it or something like that. So let's give that a try. So let's try to zip it. So super light tension there on the bottom. I'm going to put this all the way to the back, make sure everything's nice and loose. Okay, so I was able to zip it. Maybe I'll try to rake it as well, very gently, and that'll be it. So I'll just use a worm rake. Again, super light tension on the bottom. It's got to be feather light to allow those pins to do their thing. So let's go in. Okay, so there we go, guys. Just a little added bonus on the MIWA 5-pinner Japanese, beautiful piece of brass. Thanks for watching again. Take care.